To replace the door handle, begin by removing the plastic cover. This can be done using a small screwdriver to gently pry the cover off of the handle. Next, remove the 2 screws that attach the handle to the door and pull the handle away from the door. Remove any ice that may have built up and dry the area completely before installing the new handle. Attach the new handle with the screws provided and snap the plastic cover back into place. To replace the locking mechanism, simply unscrew the inside safety release. This allows the locking mechanism to be removed. Check for any ice buildup and remove as necessary. Install the new lock by inserting the safety release from the inside and tightening into the locking mechanism.